Manipur is adorned with hundreds of exciting tourist spots, but due to negligence on the part of the government, most of these tourist spots have remained underdeveloped. TOMTV brings an exclusive report on this.
Tharon is a remote village situated 28 km from Tamenglong district headquarters, which is about 160 km from Imphal, the capital of Manipur state. The village is endowed with Tharon Cave, a unique tourist spot. Tharon Cave is a hot tourist destination for many nature lovers and adventure seekers from Manipur and other parts of the globe. Talking to TOMTV, Tharon Students Union Vice President Jinruan Nang Marenmai said that this famous tourist destination has no proper facilities such as hotel and lodging to accommodate tourists. He said hundreds of tourists from across the country and abroad visited Tharon Cave in the recent past. However, because of poor sanitation and bad road connectivity, tourists are now not willing to visit the place.
How's also create development central issue natraga high state government issue adum laitebagi aikoina adum waduna adum sida leijare adu aikoi hojikana aikoi student union na caretaker oina lojari adu student union issue fund su kuri adu da so adum laite adunigina aikoi CKF development oningai promote oningai grama tausera natraga kadai by what means we can promote, from where do we get the outcome or the sources of to promote this with our weakness of our village, with this weakness of our caretakers. So we want all of the people, all of our communities to promote this a unique place called the Tharon Cave.
DM Wicham Dinang, a village elder, talk about the beautiful Tharon Cave. The cave has a history that connects the life of the villagers since their ancestors discovered it during India's pre-independence era. DM Wicham Dinang called on the concerned authorities to take up steps for promotion and preservation of Tharon Cave, a matchless gift of nature.
Mkhoi jaga se ikhoi yi lamni adubu mapu laibini ko aduna mapu gi khara yeng der bidi khar yada ba aduna madu yeng biu haina haijaning me si lam si ikhoi hana di mina law tawduna laiba ko aduna madu tawdana ba si jaga si ikhoi lawnana ba haina ikhoi government singna aduga khara mateng pangna badi ngasi ke chim mathang tawrakani haina
Talking to the villagers from the TOMTV, it came to light that they are in the immediate need of the assistance from any related department or concerned authorities in order to develop and preserve and promote the historical cave called Tharon Cave. From Tharon Cave, with camera person Sanjoy, Blessing Gangmai for TOMTV News.